Hello.
Hola.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Language Channel, where learning Spanish is easy and fun. Hey, Mateo, how are you doing today?
Hi, Isabella. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great. I was just thinking about the weather. It's so interesting to talk about.
Yes, the weather is a classic topic. Are you learning Spanish words for it?
Exactly. I know a few, but I get confused. Like, how do you say, what's the weather like?
That's ¿qué tiempo hace? It's a very useful phrase.
¿Qué tiempo hace? Okay, I can try that. So, what's the weather like today, for example?
Today, hace sol. It's sunny. And hace calor. It's hot.
Ah, hace sol and hace calor. That's easy to remember. What if it's cold?
If it's cold, you say hace frío. So, hace sol y hace calor now. But in winter, hace frío.
Hace frío. Got it. And what about when it rains?
When it rains, you say llueve. For example, hoy llueve. Today it rains.
Llueve. That's a new one. And what if it's windy?
If it's windy, it's hace viento. So, hace viento means it's windy.
Okay, so hace sol, hace calor, hace frío, llueve, and hace viento. This is a lot.
You're doing very well. Let's review some. What about it's sunny?
Hace sol.
Perfect. And it's cold.
Hace frío.
Excellent. What about when the sky is cloudy?
Cloudy. I don't know that one.
That's está nublado. El cielo está nublado. The sky is cloudy.
Está nublado. Okay, so many phrases. What about snow?
When it snows, you say nieva. Hoy nieva. Today it snows, but here no nieva mucho.
Nieva. I like that word. So, if I want to ask about tomorrow's weather,
You can ask, ¿Qué tiempo hace mañana? What weather does it make tomorrow?
¿qué tiempo hace mañana? And if I want to say the weather is good,
You say, hace buen tiempo. And the weather is bad is hace mal tiempo.
hace buen tiempo and hace mal tiempo. This is really helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Keep practicing. The weather is a fun way to learn.
Yes, I will. Hasta luego. See you later.
Hasta luego.